That's looking pretty clean. And here's the pop-up. See, I did pull most of that stuff off of here with the Zip It tool. I might as well get the rest of this gunk off of here. And right up underneath this lip, this ledge, it looked like it was maybe hanging up. Okay. And a tip for you, I've got, I use toothbrushes with a little battery in there that you turn it on off right in here, and it has a little rechargeable, or not a rechargeable battery, but you take the battery out, and that works really good for brushing your teeth. And when I get ready to change toothbrushes, I save the old toothbrush with the battery in it, and I can use it for cleaning. I could get right in there, turn it on, and have it vibrate. It actually works really good. Okay, now I got that all clean. See how clean I got that? Look at that. And sometimes you take a look. See, this is a rubber gasket here, an O-ring. You could peel that off if that's not holding, let's say, holding water. If you're shaving or something and maybe it keeps draining, it might be because your O-ring is missing, or maybe it's loose or too big, too small, whatever. All right, now I think I'm good to put this back on. Ugh. I'll have to wash up good when I get done for sure.